Your liver is always at work. It performs a wide range of functions, including removing toxins from the bloodstream, balancing macro and micronutrients, and regulating hormones. It's a powerful organ that you must keep in good shape to stay healthy. This video will show you how to repair your liver naturally. But before we start this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our new videos.
Do it.
Number 1. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is high in antioxidants, which help to take care of the liver naturally. In addition, by lowering inflammation and protecting liver cells, they may also protect the liver from any damage. So add grapefruit to your diet, as it can be a fantastic strategy to repair your liver. However, grapefruit can interfere with several processed medications in the liver. Therefore, one should consult a doctor before adding grapefruit or grapefruit juice to their diet. Number 2. Blueberries and cranberries. Blueberries and cranberries both include anthocyanins. They're antioxidants that give berries their unique color. There are many health benefits associated with these antioxidants. For example, blueberries can help increase immune cell response and antioxidant enzymes. Moreover, eating these fruits for at least a month can protect the liver from damage. Thus, making these berries a regular part of your diet is an excellent approach to ensure that your liver receives the antioxidants it requires to function correctly. Number 3. Coffee. Coffee is one of the most beneficial beverages you can think of when it comes to liver health. Several studies suggest that it can drastically improve the health of your liver even if you've had problems with it in your past. For instance, regularly drinking coffee can help you lower the risk of permanent liver damage in people suffering from chronic liver disease. It can also reduce inflammation and increase the number of antioxidants in the body that neutralize free radicals. If you didn't know, free radicals are unstable atoms that can cause cell damage, resulting in many diseases and aging. So what are you thinking? Add coffee to your morning routine and your liver will thank you. Number 4. Fatty fish. Fatty fish are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are good news for you as they reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. However, while eating omega-3 rich fatty fish appears to be good for your liver, adding additional omega-3 fats to your diet isn't the only thing you should be worried about. Why do we say so? Well, most Americans consume more omega-6 fats than recommended. A high omega-6 to omega-3 ratio can accelerate the development of liver disease.
This is not what I was expecting.
As a result, it's a good idea to cut back on omega-6 fats as well. If you're enjoying the video so far, do me a solid and smash that like button so that the YouTube algorithm can rank it faster. Number 5. Olive oil. Olive oil is considered a healthy fat because of its numerous health benefits, including positive effects on your heart and metabolic health. It does, however, have a positive impact on the liver too. According to a short study, consuming 1 teaspoon of olive oil every day can improve liver enzymes and fat levels. In addition, the subjects also experienced decreased fat formation and improved blood flow in the liver. Just in case you didn't know, fat accumulation in the liver is a part of the first stage of liver disease. Therefore, adding olive oil to your diet can help you repair your liver naturally. Number 6. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables such as Brussels sprouts, broccoli, and mustard greens are well known for their high fiber content and distinct flavor. Not only that, these veggies can increase the level of enzymes and protect your liver from damage. The best part about cruciferous vegetables is that you can reap all their benefits by eating them raw or even cooked. So add them to your diet today to boost your liver health. If you're looking for a tasty and healthy dish, try roasting these veggies with garlic and lemon juice. You won't regret it. Number 7. Nuts.
You shouldn't trust your balls. They're nuts.
Nuts are rich sources of minerals, fats, and other essential plant compounds. This combination is the sole indicator that they can be beneficial for your liver. One study states that eating more nuts is connected with a lower risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Moreover, people who consume more nuts and seeds are less likely to suffer from illnesses than those who don't. So while more high-quality research is needed, you can be pretty sure that nuts can be crucial for a healthy liver. Number 8. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice contains nitrates and antioxidants which improve heart health while also reducing oxidative damage and inflammation. In addition, they can increase naturally detoxifying enzymes that can flush out toxins from the body. You wouldn't be wrong if you think that eating beets alone can have the same effects mentioned earlier. But the best way we recommend you consume them is to juice them at home or buy beet juice from any local store. Number 9. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a simple method to get more fiber in your diet. Fiber is a critical component of digestion, and the fibers found in oats may be particularly beneficial to the liver. Beta-glucan is the name of that magical fiber we're talking about. The reason they're magical is that they help lower the amount of fat accumulated in the liver, which, as we mentioned earlier, is a good thing. If you're serious about incorporating oats or oatmeal into your diet, please stay away from instant oatmeal. They contain additional fillers that may not be as beneficial for the body as you might think. Now that you know how to repair your liver naturally, let's keep the conversation going. Check out this video on foods that cleanse your body, or watch our superfoods playlist to learn about the foods that make you the healthiest. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.